So here you have add new employee, the button here. So here is the form where you will be able to add new employees who are working in your shop. So you will put the employee name, Gerald Fields. Then you put the telephone number 254 23. Okay. Then you put email number field@gmail.com. Then you put the postal address. That is the postal address. Nairobi. Okay. Then you save. So that is how you'll be saving and adding new employee. Okay. You can cancel that. You can update as well. If you want to update your employee, you can simply put in the employee code, then you search, then you update appropriately. Okay. So let us cancel that. So that's how you'll be adding the employees. Then you can also update employees. Okay. Cancel that. So this is where you'll be putting in the new transaction. Wherever there is a new transaction, then this is where you'll be putting them. So you put in the customer name. So let's say Bonaya Chielo group. You put the customer under your groups. So the groups, we have the employees. So each employee should be having certain number of customer assigned to them. So in other words, we are grouping the customers by using the employees. So let me say this one is grouped under Jared Pima. The telephone is plus 250 that is the customer telephone. The opening balance, let's say, is we are giving a cash of 5,700. So it's like we are loaning the customer. Maybe the customer has carried home an item, so he's not paying. Maybe she has paid partly, so the remaining amount we have to record. So this is the remaining amount. Let's say he has bought the TV, and now the customer has just paid 15,000. So the rest of the balance is going to clear with time. So this is the balance. So we have to track this. So after recording, you will save that. So customer added successfully. Okay. So now that's how you'll be adding a new transaction. You can as well edit. If you want to edit, you can edit that. So you search, then everything comes like that. Then you can, and so you can see even the current balance. It is showing the current balance here. Okay. So you can edit anything you want to edit. You can easily edit. So that's how you'll be adding a new transaction. Then we have received payment. So let's say our customers come and the customer wants to pay some money for the item, the balance which was remaining. So you can put in the code here, maybe code 12. We know code 12 is this latest added customer. So you can search, you can see here, Bonaya Chedo, you have 30 days left to clear your balance. So it's even giving the number of days, and 30 should be the maximum number of days, 1 month. So the code, the current balance is given here, the current date is here. So let's say this customer is paying 2,100. Then you save that one. So the customer is paying 2,100. So that's how you'll be receiving payment. Okay. You can also update payment. You want to update payment of the latest customer, probably the one who has just been added. Okay, this customer here, Whether Chido has not paid anything, so the system has not reflected this. What about these other ones? Let me say Jared Prima. This other one here, you can see this one has made payments, those dates, and these are the payments. So you can update, you can change this, you can change that, you can change that, and then you update. You can also print receipts. So if you want to print the receipt as at this date, you can easily print receipts. So if you want to print receipt, just press print receipt, then it will print receipts based on that. So you can see this very nice receipt based on that. Okay, so you can always do that. So that's how you'll update payment. So after that, you will be able to print some reports. So you can print statements. So for example, you want to print statement for uh, Jared Panama. So you just press OK. Then you can see this one is a statement for that customer. You'll be able to see that's a very nice statement given as the title of the shop, statement of accounts, as in this date. Client details are given here. Then we have the transaction dates, uh, balance brought forward. So we have the debit here, 16,500. Then the credit here, we have these are the payments made. Then the balance is as at those dates. So that at the end of as at this date, we have this customer. We are still expecting an amount from him or her, and this is the amount. Okay. So you will be able to print that receipt very nicely. So it's generated on this date. Okay. So this is the statement for that customer. So you can also print for another customer. Okay. So this for this customer here, Calvis Vinci, and the transaction date is that's one. Balance brought forward is this one. So it's paid twice, and this is the amount we expect from him. So you can print those statements. All right. So you can also print account balances. Account balances. So when you do that, you'll be able to be taken here. So we want to know under this particular groups how much is the shop owed by these customers and how much is each customer under these groups owe the shop. So let's say we want to see Jared Pima, how Jared Pima is doing. Is one of the employees, and now we want to see how the customer assigned to him are doing in terms of payments and so on. So when you click that, you'll be able to see under Jared Pima. Let me zoom in so you can see this is the company name. Then here we are told balance under Jared Pima is Kenya shillings 30,300. So it means the total unpaid dues is 30,300. So you can see these are the customers assigned to Jared Pima, and we have the debits and the credits. So if you look at Jared Panama Toma here, the debit is 16,500, credit he has paid 4,900 in total, balance is this one, and this left is 9. So you can see each customer under Jared Pima, we are giving the account balances, summary of account balances, and you're able to see we have debits and credits and the balances. Okay, so that's under Jared Pima. You can also look at under John Leto to see how the customers under this particular group or John Leto are doing. And you're able to see this how they're doing, and you can print. And you can print. You can also check under Kalina Susan. You'll be able to see Kalina Susan here. These are the customers as of now under her, and you're able to see the debit, credit, and then balances, and this left. So those are summaries of accounts details of those customers under those groups, and you can always print. You can always print. So when you look at that method and check the customers under him are only 2, so you can always print that one here. You can print and have a copy. So you can have a copy of the account balances under each group. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. Then you can also print receipts. You can also print receipts. So under printing of receipts, you can always want to print for a customer. So if you want to print for that person, just search like that, then you print the receipt. So generating the receipt is very simple. That's how you do it. Okay, then you print the receipt. All right, then that's how you do that. Then we also have, you can always update currency. You can update shop detail. You can delete all data. So if you want to update currency, just come here, then enter the new currency, maybe Ugandan. Okay, then you submit. By that, you've already updated the currency the system is going to use. Then you can also update shop detail. Okay, you can also update shop detail. So okay, then you simply update according to what you have. So the name of the shop, the email address, postal address, phone contact, and so on. Then that is what will be reflecting in the receipts, in the statements, and all those uh, the reports that we are giving. So that's that. Then you can also delete all data. So when you press this, then you'll be able to delete every data that you have in your system, all the data that you have in the system, and it will now be blank. So in short, that's how this system works. It's very effective, very accurate, and very handy for the our shopmen and women. They can always use this one to track the customers. Otherwise, thank you and may God bless you.